Hi everyone. In today's video, you are going to learn how to use send on behalf of in Outlook in 2026. Now, this feature lets you send the emails for someone else while still showing your name and their name together on the message. So let's go through how you can do it step by step. Now, before you use the send on behalf of option, the mailbox owner must give you send on behalf permission from the Microsoft 365 settings. Once the permission is granted, you just have to open Outlook, then click on the option of New Mail tab here on the top left hand corner of the screen. Now, once you see this type of section in front of you, simply hover over to the top and click on the option of Options. Now, in the options, you just have to simply enable the option of From field if it is not already visible. This will show you the sender line above the to field. Now click on the option of From and choose other email address. You need to type the email address of the person you are sending on behalf of. After selecting it, Outlook is going to attach the correct permissions automatically. Now you just have to write your message here in this section, then click on the option of send on the top. When the email arrives, the receiver will see it coming on behalf of the mailbox owner. So the sender line will display both names clearly. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.